Welcome to Mohan classes. In this video, we are going to talk about squares and square roots. This is for 8th standard, part 1 video. Let us start. Here, what is square? Square is a number multiplied by itself 2 times. The example, 2 multiplied with 2. What you will get? 2 multiplied with 2, what you will get? 2 square. Similarly, 5 multiplied with 5 is 5 square. So a number multiplied by itself 2 times is called a square. What is a perfect square? Perfect square means that in prime factorization, each factor appears 2 times, then the number is a perfect square. Suppose if you are factorizing the given number, you will get the square 5 into 5, that is equal to 5 square. Similarly, 3 square into 2 square, this is a perfect square. Square of odd number is always odd. So 7 square, what you will get? 49. What about 6 square? 6 square we will get 36. Here 7 is an odd number, its square also odd number. 6 is a even number, its square also even number. Then Pythagorean triplets. What is Pythagorean triplets? In a right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse, this is one side, it is the other side. Here a square plus b square is equal to h square. These three are called Pythagorean triplets. Here m should be greater than 1, then 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. So these numbers will be a triplet. Suppose if m is 6, m is equal to 6. What will happen to m? Sorry, m is equal to 3. m is equal to 3. 2m is equal to 6. And then m square minus 1. m square minus 1 is 8. m square plus 1 is 10, right? m is 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 plus 1, 10. So these three numbers are called Pythagorean triplet. If you square 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. 6 square, what you will get? 36 plus 64 is equal to 100. Therefore, these 6, 8, 10 are the Pythagorean triplet. Let us move to the next. Here, what is 1 square? 1 square is 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square is equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 81, and 10 square is equal to 100, right? So here, if you take 1 square, what we will get? 1 square is equal to 1, and 9 square we will get it as 81, right? So 1 square is equal to 1, 9 square is equal to 81. So what is the unit place of 1 square and 9 square? 1, right? It is unit place. Similarly, what about 2 square and 8 square? We will get 4, right? 3 square and 7 square we will get 9. 4 square and 6 square we will get 6. 5 square we will get it as 5. And then 10 square we will get it as 2 zeros. That means 0. So what are all the numbers left? 2, 3, and then 7, 8. So any number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 will not be a perfect square. If any number ends with this 2, 3, 7, 8 will not be a perfect square. Okay. So it should be, keep it in mind. What about if a number is like this, 35 or 37? Also, how we can write this? 30 plus 5. So if you want to find the square, 30 plus 5 square, so that it can be written as 30 into 30 plus 5 plus 5 into 30 plus 5. Okay. Like that we can simplify and do the sums. Suppose if you want to find the square numbers between 13 square and 14 square, 13 and 14 are the consecutive numbers. So that can be written as n plus 1. If you find the square numbers between these two, the formula is 2n. Suppose so 13 and 14 means what? How many square numbers will be 13 square and 14 square? 2 into 13, that is equal to 26. This formula you should remember. You should keep it in your mind. Let us move to the next. Let us see some of the types of square numbers. So here you can see 1 square is 1, 11 square is 121. 1, 2, after 2 it comes 1. 2 descending order. If it is 111 square, 111 square, 1, 2, 3, after that 2, 1. If it is 5, 1, it is 11,111 square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, after 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that it's going. Understand? So here how many ones are there? It will go up to that number, then after that it will be going descending order. This is one pattern of the square numbers. What about here? 7 square, 49, 67 square, 4489, 66, 7 square, right? 667 square, 4489. So these are all the pattern they will give and they will ask you the missing pattern. So let us see some example. Here, observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. 11 square, 121. 101 square, 10 is in middle of this 11. So 1, 0, 2, 0, 1. Here 1, 0, so we are 10, 20 and then 1. Here 2, 0, so we are putting 2, 0 between 1, 0 to 2, 0, 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. What will be the pattern? Here we have to put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Here also you have to put 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros will come here. Okay? Here 1, 0 is there. So here what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the missing pattern we can write. So here 11 square is equal to 121. What about 101 square? 10, 20, after that 1. Here 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 square. 2 times 10 repeated. So we are going 10, 20, 30, after 30, 21. So here 3 times 10 repeated. So what we have to do? 10, 20, 30, 40, after that 30, 21. So here 2 zeros means we went up to 30. Here 3 zeros means we went up to 40. After that decreasing order 30, 21. Here what you will get? Here it is 50. So that means we should have 6 zeros. 10, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time and 1. That's it. It is a square. It should be a square. Okay. So if it is the case, here we are having 5 times 10. So we went to, 4 times 10. 1, 2, 3 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It should be 4 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Na? So 50 means we should go with 4 zeros only will come. 4 tens only will have to come. So it is not right. It should be 4 times. 10, 10, 10, 10, 1. Why? This value only will get, you can check this. Here it is up to 50, therefore here we should have 4 tens. Correct? Let us move to the next. Here we are having some pattern, we should write the answer of the pattern. Here you can see it is the sum of, without adding, find the sum. So here the sum of odd numbers. How many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first one, 5 square, is equal to 25. Without adding, you check, add it. It is verification. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. Similarly, here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is 10 square. 10 square is 100. If you add the odd numbers, you will get 100. Here we are having 10, 11, 12, right? So 12 square. 12 square is 144. Without adding it, we are writing the value of the sum. You can add and verify. We express 49 as a sum of 7 odd numbers. That means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will get 7 square. Add it. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. 7 square is 49, right? Similarly, for 121, 11 odd numbers. So here 7, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If you add this, you will get 121. That is 11 square. Okay. So here, how many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? What I told, 12 square and 13 square. So 12 and 13 are the consecutive numbers. So it is 2n, right? Therefore 2 into 12, 24. Similarly, what about 25 square and 22 square? 2 into 25, 50 will come. Here 99 square and 100 square. What you will get? 2 into 99, that is 198 will come. Okay. Let us move to the last. Here we have to write the Pythagorean triplets. So what is Pythagorean triplet? What we studied, the Pythagorean triplet is 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. So let us take 6. We have to write the Pythagorean triplet for 6. So if m square minus 1 is equal to 6, what is m square? M square is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. Therefore, m is equal to root 7. It is not a natural number. Similarly, what is m square plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, m square is equal to 5. M is equal to root 5. It is also not a Pythagorean. It is not a natural number. Now, what about the last one? 2m is equal to 6. So, m is equal to 3. Right? M is equal to 3. 2m is equal to 6 means m is equal to 3. Therefore, 2m, it is the pattern, right? 2m is equal to 6. 9 minus 1, 8, 9 plus 1, 10. This is the Pythagorean triplet. Similarly, what about 14? M square minus 1 is equal to 14. M square is equal to 15, right? This minus 1 will go the same as plus 1. M is equal to root 15, not a natural number. M square plus 1 is equal to 14. So M square is equal to 13. M is equal to root 13, not a natural number. What is 2M? 2M is equal to 14 and M is equal to 7, right? Then what is 2M? 14. 14 square minus 1. What is 14 square? 14 into 14, 196, right? So that means, sorry, 14. 2M is 14. 14 is 2M. M is 7, right? 49 minus 1, 48. And then 49 plus 1, 50. So these are all the 14, 48 and 50 are the Pythagorean triplet. Here 14 is the 2M. M is 7, right? So 2M is 14. M, 7 square minus 1, 48. It is 48. 7 square minus 1, 48 and 50. These are all the Pythagorean triplet. Find the square of the following numbers. I told you some formula, right? So 32 square can be written as 30 plus 2 whole square. So that is equal to 30 into 30 plus 2 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. Okay. Simplify it. 900 plus 60 plus 60 plus 4. Correct? 900 plus 60, 960, 960 plus 60, 1020, 1024. The answer is 1024. Square of 32 square is 1024. What about 35 square? 35 square is equal to 30 plus 5, the whole square. So that is equal to 30 into 30 plus 5 plus 5 into 30 plus 5. So that is equal to 900 plus 150 plus 150 plus 25. So what you will get? 900 plus 300, 1200, 1225. 35 square is 1225. This is the method you can use to find the squares of the numbers. That's it for the day. If you like this video, give your likes and share it to your friends. Thank you.